Every almond begins its journey under the first light of a working day. Before harvest, every tree is evaluated for peak maturity. Modern harvesting begins with powerful precision equipment. Each movement is carefully controlled to protect the orchard. In seconds, months of growth reach the harvest floor. The orchard floor becomes a temporary collection field. Careful gathering prepares the crop for efficient pickup. Uniform rows ensure maximum recovery during collection. Collection machinery transforms scattered harvest into continuous flow. Initial cleaning begins the moment collection starts. The harvest steadily accumulates into transport-ready loads. Efficient transfer keeps the harvest moving without delay. Every load represents thousands of trees and months of cultivation. Field logistics connect farming directly to industrial processing. Final checks ensure maximum recovery from every harvest cycle. The orchard's work now passes to the transportation network. The journey from field to factory officially begins. Ahead lies the facility where raw almonds become a finished product.